welcome back to my YouTube channel. But before that, let me greet you a happy new year to everybody. Well, thank you guys for being part of my 2020. 2020 is a very tough year for everybody, and I don't want to speak about the past year because there's a lot of things happen in this year. So I just want to welcome this 2021 with full of good vibes and sharing many things to you guys. Today guys, we will do unboxing and fitting. This 2021 we do unboxing. Okay, so I ordered this one guys, and ladies, you need this after Christmas, after New Year guys. Oh my god, we eat a lot, and I understand it's holiday, enjoy. Inside of this guys, I will teach you on how to cheat just a little bit just to make it just for you to look like sexy, look like presentable, you know. Okay, so I will show you guys my tummy pouch. Okay, so if you are a mother, you have this. So even I do sports guys, I have a hard time to take out this. So if you are a mother, you have this. Okay, so this is what we call pouch. Okay, so if I will take out my tummy, inhale. Okay, so I still have, you know. So what I need to do guys is these leggings. Okay, so we will unboxing. So this is a leggings guys. So it's an elastic leggings. Okay, so there's a, so you can adjust it. You can put here and the second on the third. So it's up to you where you are comfortable. So in my size, I order medium. As you can see, it's M. I don't know why there is no medium here. So large, XL, XXL, triple XL. But I order medium, which is the M. I don't know, maybe it's just a plastic. Okay, so now I will try it with my dress. Okay, so wait.
Without leggings, my tummy is too obvious. With leggings, it gives you a nice shape. With leggings, it helps you to push up your booty. So what do you guys think about this leggings? Well, me, I'm happy to have this because now I can wear a fitted dress. Look at my tummy on the left side, is too big. Oh my god. Well, problem solved. You can also wear it like this.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!